I just have my natural hair out. I actually have dreads. Ooh, look at that. Who is she? I do have my wigs on. I just put a stocking cap on and we're all good. It was too hot for all of that, so I just said, nope, not gonna do it. But the point of this video is to let you guys know that I just got a new job and I wanted to take you guys along the journey of finding an apartment. So I'm so excited to share this whole journey with you guys. If you find that kind of stuff cool like I do, then keep on watching. Check down in the description box below. More than likely, I actually have put every and anything that I can possibly think about in regards to this video in the description box. Leave me a comment in the comments down below if there was something that I missed that you have any more questions about. Okay, so let me stop talking. Let's get started.